September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed.
Cái muleta mo cái chân là cái lâu này cho in ngày lót toka vô in chu Friday ni vào lần sau dinner ấy cho ngủ te hay kan chuak đó na cái phur tol to mo hay cái lâu cột thar te cái lâu học vel ta ni chu xem cho nên cái sắm te cái vật số hay cái mà in cái sắm cái ta na kan la color zui bu khai xem hey tận chu phal thau chu cái mà tận khai xem mà lâu khá lâu lo to cái hay rinai na zia phian me ya cho nên hey vô in chu surprise cái xem sa cái mo kampa hi note ka da nung ki mo chan in lo munga chanin in lo kanin ton tira kan thalak te tiang ka lo da vela lo ho huna chon alom ve nge ka ring ni mo ka effort zong kha pasalte no puite tianga surprise lo ti hote kan ngai po hi an nu na tilim ve chu wangin nu pui pasal nei to te bial no bial pa nei te min lo eni nom chanin ti vero uthil simple te ngai kha mi tilim tu ni thei ni mo chanin kan dinner eina te rom vlog ka du do na wang khanin anom nakina kanom khom huna intro ti vel ai kha chuan he intro ti mela henge hi guys ti kwa vel he sham khak vel ti kha ita an lo ho man lo ti lo kha ka du sia hei ka ron vlog ka man vele khang ka in su ve ka boy lo to ka voin chu in ngai om to sia ka dam sam lo wang han video te kha ka ron siam lok lo mi lo ngai dam la chon thar ticket lin na kha ka sharinga thar ticket lin na kan video siam tur 2x noodles challenge kami spicy noodles challenge ka brother in law tene kan ti tur mo jo na te tyang hone kan ti tur ha kan sharenga karon ti do na kron tungkara hian ron ti chwange nge ka tum don nya o chuanin in the vai chunga koloma in lo subscribe le in lo share na zong awanga tuna po thar ti ke ting thei kan ya nangma ni chom lo la ka tling don me lo na chuwang ka lom no to ka cha he ka second hand thim te ha kan ha vela nal min tiem nu ho khan min lo chan le ron ro pi sa mo cha invite khan ka mangai vek chawa nakina kan cho e na te ingi kan e te ka lo ti lang zelanga ka kalma in helai hi chiang to in kam hu chong kan shil fia do chonga chanin in lo inge ka da chan te inge thil he ka nu ha in la mu phak lo dang po om ni chu lo en hawang wo hey hi kampat lang wal lai ne he lo tle do hle ka lang chiang lo to lang wal lai de kum som panga vel ni lai mo a kar nei ve ma sak ber ni cha chanin hey hi kanin mu ma sak ber kha in shevek to nga kan don an lo en te chanin kai mu ma sak pera e ka restaurant thona anon cho like an thalak dun ne he ku thi lo en chi kim mim met na sa hle mi star chiang me he pain ka ti ta cho he not vel te ka lo da ta a chanin hey ke ma long bula thla ka lak vel po ka da saka chanin ka vazin masak ber chuma kan thalak da vek ni ta heng hi chumo hey kanin mu masak ber tak tak kai ngai zon nu kum ni nu kai sha themi nu a kum ni nu ka vazin le na cha he ama tet lai thlak te ka mu chwa ka vo in chu chanin he hi ni kum Christmas ka vazin airport a kai mu lim lo tok khala ka ni ta ni chumo hemi hi lo la mu lo te khai lo om ta khanin chanin he lai mi hi ka gift present ania achunga hianin chocolate kiss chocolate ang kham ta ala ei lo shim ei lo kal hun i lo let le ma lo chu ko hong lo nga ta chu in chu ka hong ti rangai don ni mo chan chu covid wa han in nei kan tum ve to kan cancel wa khanin nikum February khanin enge kazut honani chu Valentine's Day gift khan chanin alo e phal lawa chan pangpar po ka thona pangpar phei chu lo la da thakan kina karom hung chau hemi zo hian lo endon nya rose ka thon bo kamo fresh ka chan tu na chan ro vek to ni chu mi pale mi cha chan chunga han e chocolate kha om bok ta na kina a shemi alo ka plan zong hi not ka lo zia te zong te alo ho huna khanin alom don lo tu alom in ringem ki chu lom ka ringa kalung te ti leng ven en bek han chan nuam top ta han ka da char tong bek chu lo la thi lawa lo la da thave amo thi vek tong chu na he ro be a ro do bel bul to ma se lung len thak to pani chu tia ang engi lo la da shim te po mo la zo hi chu sial hey uncle trip to we are ready to go
stay fast
Are you ready to go
Yeah.
for dinner?
Oh yeah.
Abay, nalaw ko siya dinner kang kaldon ninyo.
I put everything in my name, but it's really for Mariah.
Aron lang lebat ang
Nice.
restaurant kan tlen huna. Ready to dine out?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Hungry, mom and uncle then the single.
Uncle, are you hungry?
Here we're
Throw the
going.
boxes on the back seat in the back, guys. They're boxes for.
Uncle me kanihi na courthouse ka oh.
But it's.
Kaninay na courthouse. This is the place where we get married.
Oh, I don't care.
I know, but I'm just saying, I always listen to my book.
When there's nothing on
Kan kwa David ahen to kanina ni
Christian channels
salty ahen kanina.
that I listen to on XM,
Cool car.
What's that? It's similar.
It's cool, right? Hey, tahen kanina tour oh don salty Mexican bar and grill. Hey, who is here? Daddy, my husband, Uncle Dane. Okay, nachos. And then his lasagna. Min lau tam no to ka vlog hey don pak lo kami la sa salay. That's what order to enang. What are you gonna order?
I'm uncertain right now.
Okay, you gonna check it out? Okay, let me check this.
Spicy.
Enchiladas. Yeah, okay, what will I eat? Maybe I'm gonna have steak.
What you getting, baby?
thinking about, yeah. I was thinking about getting the shocks and doing it myself. She said, yeah, you'd have been
Are you
cussing.
done?
Really?
What if I want it so far? Maybe it is better. I don't know. Good for ours. There's Nana. What? Show them what you're drinking, Mom. Show them what you're drinking. There's Nana. It's called margarita.
This is a margarita with a salt rim, and it is called slush.
That's what I'm drinking.
It's water.
Water with ice.
Diet Coke.
I'm drinking water.
Shut it down.
Right?
Yeah.
That's what I told her.
Tell me, what are you eating? Salsa and chips?
And I can do that.
You can eat
You
salsa.
got my grandbaby in the oven.
That's the good stuff.
What's that?
Hot sauce. Real hot.
Try it. What is that?
Wait.
Oh, it's good. Ay, hot sauce. Atoy doon lutok. Atoy lutok.
That's what it looked like.
Daddy say, atoy lutok. Atoy lutok.
Actually, looked up. Actually, looked up.
Oh, you know what? We need to let John know. Can you text him?
Whatever.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's start eating.
Do what?
Let's do it.
Rice.
Good, right?
Yeah.
Có thèn lên gì à? Is it that?
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Check it out. Chicken, right?
Yep, chicken.
Cái chú steak kì á, steak there. Chú sáng sáng nghe bốc sẽ chọn lâu. Mom is eating what?
Soul steak. Right?
I'm not sure. Only nachos. Larry's gonna eat only nachos.
Right?
Nachos with chorizo and steak.
Looks yummy. Sa kapil lang sa ilaw, kaya meron siyang alaw kung law mo.
It's got great flavor.
The steak.
What do you mean? What's inside? Chicken?
Chicken and cream.
But me, what should I do now? Put avocado inside? Hey, avocado. Not sure what to put in. My steak is not cut yet. I thought it's gonna be like donsol where you have all the steak cut ready. That's why I ordered it. Now it's a big trouble.
It's all different.
I know.
It's good though.
I wish I have a spoon so I can scoop out. Can I take with my knife?
Yep.
Or like that? Okay, let's eat it.
Yummy.
Yummy.
So good.
Which is fine.
Abundance, right? My arms. All the food goes through my arms.
I hope all mine goes to my chest.
Hey.
Chicken.
Yeah. Peppers.
It's
I have no idea. It's
Mom.
better than dog sauce
Oh.
tonight.
Really, you like it? What did you eat?
Here.
Pork, beef.
Beef,
Oh,
steak.
oh.
Here, take a bite.
Okay.
Is that not amazing?
It's really good.
It's very delicious.
The smell, why is it different from me?
And mine's called soul steak. But it is good.
Lagan lao to kahit ang silang rin.
Look at our chili peppers.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
Ooh. Looks good. You don't get avocado, right?
Yummy, huh?
No, guacamole.
Try that.
I got it. You have to put it down.
It has some kind of flavor, but I cannot tell. It smells like
The
a
burnt-
burning
I
of
think it's the
garlic or
burnt
onion.
onion.
No.
I'm almost sure it's the burnt onion. It's
a big
crazy.
bite.
The burnt onion. Here. It's got an amazing flavor. I think it's the onions. I think it's the onions.
Cái nuôi này tụi nó bẻ. Very good. Dầu bò dầu chip.
It's I don't know.
It has a burn.
It's got to be the onions.
Oh, looks good. À, tuy lutok em. Tuy em. Tuy lutok mo.
They look too.
Is it spicy or không?
Not too bad.
Canoes bite.
Yeah. À, tuy em mom. Tuy em. À, tuy lutok say à, tuy lutok.
Chorizo.
She cannot say it. Steak. Is it tasty?
Yeah. Yummy.
À, tuy lutok. I got it, and it makes me feel like I don't want to eat anything. I will order some steak.
We have steak tonight.
Yeah, this is the real steak.
I am so full. Oh my gosh. That's so
Bông
good.
sa ka da.
I don't want to quit, but I got it.
Beige, lettuce, bells on rice lamb.
This didn't help.
Tapos
I've been trying to drink water to push it through.
so a hot sauce in demo.
Oh God, honey.
It's not spicy though.
Not bad.
Oh, so full.
I don't want no more either. More salsa. All right, now that I feel like a beached whale,
Yeah.
and I've been up all night, all day, I am going to go home and watch the girls there.
I hope so, yeah.
Me too.
We gotta find it.
I know it was Tuesday. I'm done. I can't ingest any more food. Oh my gosh.
You didn't like your guacamole?
No, yeah. Later?
You don't like it?
No, I like it. I just didn't want it in my cream. But you can have it. The guac.
I've been up since
Yeah.
the crack of dawn. I was
Also
up before
me,
20.
yeah.
Everybody's waiting on me. Huh?
No, we're fine.
I'm still eating.
She's still eating.
Daddy, we are
You're good.
okay.
You guys
Me
take
and
your
Daddy.
time, baby. Enjoy.
Apple like company say aiming hagani. Wait, only me and Daddy eating. Daddy is eating too. Daddy, goal. Ailing oh. I'm dying. Kapwa to $18 kalay bangon kaya. Did you enjoy your dinner?
Yes, I loved it.
At tulot took win dinner too, right? Win dinner
Very
is
much.
very tasty. Here is Kapa here. Oh my God. Daddy, did you enjoy dinner?
I enjoyed dinner. It was so good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then hold on, see I can shoot on a more game later. Bye bye, Feku. Bye. Khẩu tôi là cái bye bye tuần sau cái nó sẽ để giỏi này hi là dầu bộ nó dầu à Ming Pei Xuan, you know? What do you think about like your wife having red hairs and stuff?
I like red hair.
This is Peter Wright, Tori.
Go ahead.
Nana.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
See you next video.
See you next video.
Bye.
Luther says bye.